Lead generation. How we do it. Visibility. We get your brand in front of only customers going to buy what you have to offer much faster. Increase your sales and rapidly grow your market share. Data-driven marketing. We're obsessively customer-focused, so we know how to make your business grow. We use data to translate insights into results. 100% money-back guarantee. We're so confident that your business will generate more leads, sales and revenue with our help, we'll give you a full refund if you don't see results. Supercharge your conversions. We implement business growth strategies that make it easy to connect with customers and we don't stop when you get sales. We help you navigate the peaks and valleys of growth, so your business can grow bigger, stronger, and smarter. Turn your business into a sales machine. Stop the frustration of spending hours on prospecting and leverage the expertise of a team that has successfully done it before. We're here for the business owners who are tired of being outsold by their competitors. You know that your business is better than theirs, but nobody knows about it because you don't have the right marketing tools in place. Turn your leads into customers fast. Customized for your business and industry to maximize results. Guarantee your sales pipeline is full, every month. Simplify selling and give yourself more time to focus on value-added work. Scalable growth. Work with trusted experts who have helped 1,050+ businesses grow 3x faster than their competition. Become a market leader. Quickly identify and address growth challenges to ensure long-term success. Get it right the first time. Build a proven strategic plan that scales as your business grows and keeps you ahead of the curve. Lead generation. Ready to close the deal? Move forward with confidence and put your brand on the map. Don't worry about generating leads because we'll do that for you. We'll help you get that meeting, sell your product, get high-quality leads for your service,